So since we now know a lot of words, okay, so I need you to tell me which one is real and which one is not real. Okay, then you circle it. Here we are supposed to circle the real words from the following. Okay, m, ip, mip, up, map. Which one do you think is the real word? I think map is a real word. K, at, cat, l, at, lat. Which one do you think is the real word? I think cat is a real word. N, fen, n, pen. Which one do you think is the real word? I think pen is a real word. F, at, fat, af, tough. I think fat is a real word. R, it, rit, p, it, pit. Which one do you think is a real word? P, it, pit is a real word. Thank you.